Hi everyone, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and today I'm going to show you the new mid-month release stencil. Now this is called Tulip Frame. This is available halfway through the month of February, so it just released today, and for the very first week upon when this releases, you can get it on sale. It will be available in the shop after that, but be sure to catch it in the first week if you want to get it at a discounted price. You can also use my coupon AmyFan10 on top of it to save even further. So here is a photo of the finished card to show you the direction that we're headed, but it's some very simple, colorful ink blending and some stamping, and it came together really easily. So in this tulip frame stencil, you'll see this outer floral portion, which is really detailed, and then you also get the little cutout in the center. So you can use that to mask off the center portion, or you could just do your ink blending right within it. So to start, I was thinking I was going to be brave and ink blend, but upon feeling it, I thought, I better use some pixie spray. So I did apply pixie spray on the outside frame. I didn't think to apply it on the inside portion like I should have, so you'll see in a moment I do just end up using a little bit of mint tape just to hold down that center bit because I forgot to spray it and I was being lazy. So I did decide I wanted to mask that off. So what that does is it allows that center portion to remain white when you're doing the ink blending all around it. So I'm going to put that in place and then just get to work with my ink blending. So I have a few of the newer colors from Catherine Pooler. I have With an Olive, On the Lake, and Cotton Candy, and I'm just going to kind of go in a smattering around the design. Again, not really ink blending in the center because that's the portion that's masked off, but just kind of working around the design to all four corners. So starting with an olive, then On the Lake, and then finishing off with Cotton Candy. And where they do overlap, it does end up making another color, so it gives it a little bit of a rainbow feel. So even though With an Olive is technically green, it is kind of playing a little bit on, primary colors. So because I am working on a card base, I don't want to get the bottom of my card base dirty, so I'm just going to clean my work surface. And then here I'm just carefully holding the center portion in place and doing some simple ink blending around it because I really want that cool design to be evident when I remove that mask. So again, I'm just toning it down a little bit by using some residual ink around the edges, and now you can see that clearly defined center bit. Now I want to go a step further and make this look almost three-dimensional, like it's actually a piece popped up. So I just shifted it over slightly to the left, and now I have my gray blending brush, and I'm just light-handed creating a little bit of a drop shadow. So this is just kind of a fun option if you want to give the illusion of dimension without actually having dimension. So this is single layer, but it may to the eye look as if you have a second piece popped up in the center. Now this is the amazing stamp set. This is also from a Colorful Life Designs in the shop. You can use my coupon AmyFan10 as well on that if you want this gorgeous stamp set. But this nestles perfectly in this little opening, so I'm just going to kind of place it nice and centered, make sure it's straight, and then I'm going to stamp it with the Cotton Candy ink a few times just to kind of tie that pink color that I used on the ink blending into the design. I'm using my press tool that my friend sent me, and I'm just going to stamp this a few times just to make sure it's nice and even. But that's basically going to finish the design. So the other option, you could skip the masking step on the center and then just continue that color on the inside of the opening. But lots of fun ways you can use this gorgeous floral stencil. I'm using kind of springy type colors, but this would look great with any design. And I'm going to use some blingage here. Now this card bling is actually available in the shop now. There's various different colors, but they're flat back sequins, and you can buy them for sale now in the shop. So be sure to check that out. And again, you can use my coupon on those as well. So I'm going to use some liquid glue and my jewel picker tool to lay down a smattering of these pretty colored sequins that kind of match the colors that I used on the ink blending, and that's going to finish the design. So be sure to check out the rest of the February release. There's lots of gorgeous stencils, a nice variety. There's some kind of spring feeling, some St. Patrick's Day, some just cool geometric designs, so loads to choose from. And thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and be sure to catch the stencil while it's on sale. So check out those details below, and I'll catch you next time.